Hello everyone, we're going to polish the headlights of this 2006 Toyota Estima from this to this. Let's begin. Now what we're going to do is you have to wash the headlight first with a sponge and some soapy water. Next, clean it off and dry it off with a microfiber towel. Make sure it's nice and dry. Next, we're going to use Meguiar's PlastX. I bought this from Repco. You can buy it from any leading auto store. Give it a good shake. Now I'm going to use Scotch blue tape. You can buy this from Bunnings in the paint section. Go around the light, making sure to tuck in so you don't damage the paint. Tuck that right in. Open that bottle. Get a clean cloth and apply generously. The trick here is to apply it across the whole headlight until you get a haze. Keep turning the cloth until you get a nice clean side. And rub in a circular motion. You don't have to put too much weight on this, just nice and gentle. Let the compound do the work for you. Keep turning that cloth as it gets clogged. Feel it's nice and smooth. I usually recommend doing this a few times, at least twice, to get the best effect. Just repeat the process again, using less. Clean side of the cloth, and away you go. Now the best part, peeling off that tape once you're done. So this is what it looks like once you're done. This is the right light. And I went and did the left one. Nice, beautiful and clear. Now to do the front parking camera if fitted to your model. Give it a tiny bit and give it a nice rub. Clean side of the cloth. Give it a nice polish. See how clear it is. Now to do the side parking camera. Same theory with the front camera. Clean it off first for any road grime. Get a cloth again, apply the PlastX around the lens. Get the clean side of the cloth and give it a good rub. Don't forget to turn that cloth. Next we're going to do the tiny mirrors. These mirrors help you see the curb and the wheels. They get fogged up over time, so the trick is to use the PlastX to take off that hardened road grime. Actually works pretty well. Again, always turn that cloth as you go. So this is the before. Give it a bit of a clean with the PlastX. That's the after result. Yeah, that's the both curbside and wheel mirror. And that's it. All done.